Here we are for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is a limited panel van finished in the fantastic grey matter, and this is L1 short wheelbase. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom limited of this age. We'll talk you through all of the styling enhancements, which you can probably already see that we've done to it during our preparation, and also what we've done to it mechanically during our preparation as well in our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come color coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirrors, all come color coded in the body color, which, as I say, in this case is grey matter, one of the most popular colors, probably one of our best sellers, and I think it really works very, very well with the gloss black styling elements which have been put on this vehicle. Speaking of which, at the top here we've got the gloss black rear spoiler, which you can see there, which nicely integrates, and then down at the bottom then we've got this full gloss black low-line aero kit, which includes the rear splitter, side skirt, front splitter, and then on the top of the rear bumper there's also a nice carbon rear bumper protector as well, which has been added there. A couple of little sort of blemishes to point out to you. There's a tiny little mark just here, which you can see just below the Ford badge, and we can just neatly touch that in to make that a little bit better. And there's a couple of little marks here just on the rear bumper. This might actually improve with a little bit of polish, but that is a little scratch just there, which I can see. On these videos, if you've ever watched these before, you'll know that if there's anything that I can see, I will gladly point it out to you. We're looking just to be as absolutely as transparent as possible when looking at the condition, spec, everything with the van, so that you can make an informed decision if you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales. But looking here at the rear doors, generally speaking, in absolutely stunning condition. The whole van has been completely detailed, so this is all very much smooth as silk. It's like glass, really, this paintwork. It's very, very nice indeed. But there's also a tiny little mark just there as well, and I can see that one has just been neatly touched in. Other than that, nothing else to comment on there. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So these rear doors, they're on a sort of a 2-stage hinge, so they will just lock into place like that at 90 degrees, but with a firm push you can push it past that first stage to its 180 degree position like so, and of course you can do exactly the same with the other door as well, opening that right out to, I say, 180 degrees. This then allows us to have a good look inside the back of the van. So in here you'll see this has got brand new ply lining throughout the rear of the vehicle, and again, if you're familiar with us, you'll know that we do this on the vast majority of panel vans which come into stock for 2 reasons. One, of course, it improves the look, it improves the aesthetics in the back of here. It looks all nice and neat. Of course, the ply liner does a brilliant job, all nicely silicone sealing everything in around the wheel boxes, full rear door coverage as well. But that brings us on to the second point, which is this offers protection inside here. So if you've got cargo moving around here in the back, it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent in your rear doors or on the side of the van. You can see you've got the nice plastic hard wearing floor. It's very easy to keep clean because you can give it a nice sweep out in the back. You've also got these extra LED load lights. So you've got those 3 LED load lights there, but there's 2 extras at the back there which are operated on a switch, which is just inside the pillar here. And looking at that, again, just looking at the exposed painted areas, you can see how clean and tidy this is. Certainly a well looked after van. And then inside there you've also got the correct placement of the toolkit as well, and also lovely condition of the bulkhead, which has got the load through hatch. You can load that through right the way through underneath the passenger seats. Shutting the rear doors, then we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So looking here then down the passenger side of the van, and this is where I like to look in these sort of more dynamic angles here, looking down the side. You can just see how clean and straight that is, looking very smart indeed. There's no signs of any previous repairs or ripples or dents there. That is all looking as straight as you like. Very nice indeed. If we open up the side loading door, which just gives us another aspect then of the load space from this angle, all looking totally fine. And then the wheels, we've got this fantastic set of Caliber CV3 alloy wheels. These are a 20-inch wheel, fully load rated, of course, with brand new load rated tyres as well. Where I really like the finish on these. So this is a gloss black wheel that you can see here, but the face is a smoked diamond cut face, which I think is so nice. The very subtle contrast. It's you really have to sort of look at it carefully to realise that there is a difference there between the gloss black and this polished diamond cut face. But as I say, I think a really nice subtle difference which looks absolutely spot on. I think especially on a grey van like this as well, looks very smart. And I'd say that ties in very well then with the gloss black side skirts, the roof bars which have been added on the top as well. If we open up the passenger door then, so I'll first look inside the cab, having a look at the plastics here, the step, the floor there. You can see it's all absolutely fine in there, no issues at all. Lovely condition of the seats, no rips, tears, cigarette burns, anything like that. All very nice there. If I flip these forward, this gives you a look underneath the passenger seats. You can see how clean and tidy that is under there as well. Into the centre then, we've got the fold down work tray, somewhere to store some paperwork just there, and I'll come around to a bit more of the spec. When we go onto the driver's side, we've got two glove boxes on these. You've got an upper glove box and a lower glove box just there, but all in lovely condition inside the cab. Around to the front then, wing mirror case all in fine order. Around to the front, looking at the bonnet is looking very good as well. You're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, of course, but generally speaking this is looking very nice actually around the front. Having a look at the grille then, we changed this grille, so it's a nice gloss black honeycomb grille, which I absolutely love. And then you've got also the gloss black canards which have been added, and also the gloss black front splitter as well. And I think all in all, when you tie all of that in with the wheels, the gloss black contrasting against the grey matte paintwork, I think that is a gorgeous looking van. And around to the front, there's really, I say, not much to fault. You're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, which you're going to get on any used vehicle, but this is really very little for its age and mileage. On this, of course, new shape Ford Transit Custom, you do get on the Limited the nice Ford LED headlights, which is that lovely LED daytime running light, but a much better performing headlight than the previous generation Transit Custom. I think that's a nice step forward for this generation of Transit Custom. And then finally here then, same as we did on the passenger side, looking here down the driver's side of the vehicle, and again you can just see that is all absolutely straight, and that is, yeah, absolutely mint, that panel, very nice indeed. Yeah, there's no signs of any previous repairs there. It's all looking totally original. And if you open up the driver's door then, again, look at the condition inside here. So we've got the driver's door card, the step, the floor, driver's seat. Absolutely, yeah, I wish they were all like this. It would make our lives a lot easier indeed. Electric windows, electric folding mirrors. That's how those operate there, just by pushing on this little folding button just there, so you can fold those in and out. And of course you've got electrically operated wing mirrors just there. You've got auto activated lights, auto wipers, you've got adaptive cruise control on the left hand side there, volume controls for the radio underneath that, onboard computer controls on the right hand side, and you can also answer and hang up the phone just there. Having a look at the dashboard then, you've got this nice digital display here in front of you, so you can see in the bottom left hand corner there, 18,991 miles. It's all idling correctly, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. Two full remote keys come with the vehicle, and you can see these are keyless, so you can have those in your pocket and start the vehicle using the stop start button just up here. In the center then, big selling point for these, you've got this over 11-inch display screen in the center, which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as standard. You've got heated seats, so you can see that all controlled along the bottom there, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, all of that along the bottom. You also get a really nice crisp and clear display of your reversing camera as well. I will have a photo of that in the full advert if you want to see how that works. And then down below then, you've got your 6-speed manual gearbox to go along the 136 PS Euro 6 diesel engine, a couple of USBs under here, USB-C and a normal USB, and also a 12-volt socket just there as well. But really nice condition inside the cab, and of course, as a Limited, always very well spec'd. Now, there is manufacturer's warranty on this van until March of 2027, so plenty of time remaining on that for your full peace of mind. And during our preparation, Bridgend Van Care, which is our van specialist workshop, they've been right through this vehicle and given it a full multi-point health check, but also crucially a full service as well. And a full service with Bridgend Van Care is all of the filters. So that is, of course, your oil and your oil filter, air filter, pollen filter, and the fuel filter have all been changed on this van during that full service. So it has got a clean bill of health and absolutely ready to drive away straight away. Of course, remembering it's on brand new wheels and tyres as well. But stunning condition, really nicely styled, lovely low miles. Of course, you've got the balance of manufacturer's warranty as well. Arguably the best colour to get a Transit Custom in. This is the colour that I'm running at the moment. I absolutely love it. I think it looks really, really smart. And such a well-equipped van. These feel very, very modern to drive. I think a real great step forward from the previous generation. Now, if you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised. We can deliver our vehicles nationwide. We can offer funding options for private individuals or for limited companies, so by all means get in contact if you'd like any help with funding this vehicle. Of course, that's all subject to acceptance and status. At the moment, rates are starting at 9.4% APR at the time of recording. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Thank you very much for watching.